To me, listening to a song without bass is like bathing without using water. It took Samsung a long time to finally realize this, and they have given the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro a lot of bass. Oh my god! Wow! It has been 1 year now since Samsung released the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and the Galaxy Buds Pro has been the best Samsung earbuds since it was released. According to Samsung, the Galaxy Buds Pro has 6mm tweeter and 11mm subwoofer that work together as a two-way speaker system to give you the best listening experience. In this video, I will do a sound test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and you will hear what the earbud sounds like. Without wasting much time, let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro has 6 sound equalizer modes. Let's listen to all the sound equalizer modes to hear the difference. To hear the true sound from the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, you must use headphone or speaker to listen to the sound test. Let's start the sound test.
I just believe in my life. I just be chasing a dream. My bro ain't saying a word. Guess it 2-1 for the team. All of my niggas are eating. I just believe in my life. I just be chasing a dream. My bro ain't saying a word. Guess it 2-1 for the team. All of my niggas are eating. I just believe in my life. I just be chasing a dream. My bro ain't saying a word. Guess it 2-1 for the team. All of my niggas are eating. I just believe in my life. I just be chasing a dream. My bro ain't saying a word. Guess it 2-1 for the team. All of my niggas are eating. I just believe in my life. I just be chasing a dream. My bro ain't saying a word. Guess it 2-1 for the team. All of my niggas are eating. I just believe in my life. I just be chasing a dream. My bro ain't saying a word. Guess it 2-1 for the team. All of my niggas are eating. Property, no time for the sleepers peak. Counting the profit, of course. I just be folding the plug. These catties be catting for more. My niggas are dealing with ice. I just be dripping in sauce. Property, no time for the sleepers peak. Counting the profit, of course. I just be folding the plug. These catties be catting for more. My niggas are dealing with ice. I just be dripping in sauce. Property, no time for the sleepers peak. Counting the profit, of course. I just be folding the plug. These catties be catting for more. My niggas are dealing with ice. I just be dripping in sauce. My property, no time for the sleepers peak. Counting the profit, of course. I just be folding the plug. These catties be catting for more. My niggas are dealing with ice. I just be dripping in sauce. My property, no time for the sleepers peak. Counting the profit, of course. I just be folding the plug. These catties be catting for more. My niggas are dealing with ice. I just be dripping in sauce. My property, no time for the sleepers peak. Counting the profit, of course. I just be folding the plug. These catties be catting for more. My niggas are dealing with ice. I just be dripping in sauce.
The dynamic and the bass boost are my favorite sound equalizer modes. Did you notice how the bass boost increases the bass and gives you the full power of the 11mm woofer? The dynamic sound mode amplifies the highs and the mids and reduces the bass, which results in a clean balanced sound. The bass, the mids, and the highs all sound clean. The bass does not affect the sound quality, and there is a great instrument separation when you are listening to certain type of music. Before I continue, I would like to say a big thank you to you. You are awesome. You encourage me and motivate me to keep making videos. With your likes, views, and comments, I appreciate you, and I would like to say a big thank you to those that has subscribed to my channel. I do not have many subscribers, but I am grateful and I appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will appreciate it if you can support me by subscribing. Let's continue. The best way to know how good something is when you compare it to another thing. Let's compare the sound quality of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus to hear the difference.
Would you ride for me? When the tridents come, would you slide for me? Go there by my side, keep me company. Pagans always saying that they're on to me. Would you ride for me? When the tridents come, would you slide for me? Go there by my side, keep me company. Pagans always saying that they're onto me. Would you ride for me? When the tridents come, would you slide for me? Go there by my side, keep me company. Pagans always saying that they're onto me.
Both earbuds sounds good, but the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro sounds better than the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. The Galaxy Buds Pro is louder and have more bass. The difference in sound quality isn't that much, and I think there has been about 20% improvement in the sound quality when you compare the Galaxy Buds Pro to the Galaxy Buds Plus. If you are thinking of upgrading from the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus to the Galaxy Buds Pro and you are basing your decision on the sound quality, I would say upgrade if you like more bass. The bass is deep enough to impress me and make me happy, and I think you will like it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, comment below this video and I will always answer you. I hope to see you again next time.